Hopefully no one starts mowing their lawn. That would be very disappointing. Not that, I mean, actually it's snowing, so there's not, I don't know why you'd be mowing your lawn. Hey guys, what's up? Jessica Cabesi here. In today's video, we're doing something a little bit different. It's not quite photography related, but it's gonna let you guys get to know me a little bit more. When I was in college, I took this class called Art Therapy. For one of the final projects, we all had to do something, and one of the students decided to get each of us a box with our names on it. And then we all went around, every single student went around and had a box, and we tore up a little piece of paper and we wrote one thing anonymously about that person. We put it in their box, and then we handed off the box to the next person, and we would take the other box. So we kind of just gave our anonymous thoughts about each person in the class. I have not seen this in about 5 years, maybe 5-6 years. I haven't read these in a while.
Do you remember what anyone has written?
I remember there were a lot of comments about my hair. My hair was actually longer than this, so probably we'll see a couple comments about my hair. I don't know how, I don't remember really how I was in college. Maybe I was quiet, maybe I was obnoxious. Maybe I was in between, who knows? But I knew I was at the cafeteria all the time because I love lunch. So we're gonna go through this box which has all of the stuff that my classmates wrote about me, and we're gonna see what they said about me. So if you're watching this video, maybe you'll find out if I'm really a jerk. Who knows? Maybe I'm not as nice, maybe I'm fake on here. I'm kind of excited, a little nervous to see. Imagine like they're all mean stuff like, Jessica's a horrible person, Jessica smells. Well, if that's the case, you're about to get some angry emails, everybody, from Art Therapy. I already saw the first comment. Oh my god, the first one. This is the first one I saw. So someone said that I was weird. The first one, which kind of describes me. I am pretty weird.
I mean, you went to art school.
I went to art school. That's why I got accepted. Well, this video's off to a good start. Maybe I talked about like Pokemon too much or something. I've always identified myself as being weird, so that's a compliment. Thank you. Internet, go find out who wrote that.
They're gonna like have a social security number up there. They're gonna dox them.
Nice legs. I never really showed my legs. I don't wear shorts or anything, so I don't.
Niceless?
Nice legs.
You know, I've been complimented on my
What?
legs too.
Why are you even looking at my legs? It's so.
That's for sure a guy.
This is for sure a guy. That's all we know. Nice legs. Okay. I like to be happy. Is that what? Is this me? Did I write this? Because I don't. Who would write this about me? I like to be happy. I don't know, man. No one's happy here. We're all miserable. You have gorgeous hair. Not gonna lie, I'm a little jealous. Okay. So, thank you, whoever this is. I know it's a little late, like 6 years late, but thank you. I grew my hair myself.
Do you remember in Lizzie McGuire when Lizzie's parents asked Ethan Kraft? They're like, how do you have such wonderful hair? He's like, you know how on the back of the shampoo label it says lather, rinse, repeat? He's like, I don't repeat.
Next one. Warm and sweet. That's really nice. I like to think that I'm warm because I always have like 15 layers on. This one's a nice, respectable one. Thank you. Oh my gosh! I think I know who wrote this. You have amazing photography skills and you are a great friend. I think Steve wrote this, my friend Steve. Thank you, Steve. If it's not Steve, actually I know it's Steve because it's his handwriting. Steve's a really good friend of mine, so thank you. And it's so funny how he mentioned my photography skills because I wasn't really, I was only in my first or second year of photography, so Steve really believed in me. Shout out to Steve. Okay, let's do the next one. Oh my god.
Oh,
Someone said you're not weird. Okay. Are you supposed to be complimenting me? Okay. I don't know. I'll leave it up to you guys to interpret that. Sweet, nice, kind, and set. Maybe it's someone's name? I don't know what this says. If you guys know in the comments, comment. I'm only gonna concentrate on like the upper half, which is nice. Thank you. Okay, so I see a theme here. I see a theme. I'm sweet. You've got to hurry up. So I guess this guy was telling me to hurry up because I was taking so long filling out each thing for each other student because I wanted to write something meaningful. So you know what? I'm gonna take my time, okay? Leave me alone. The next one is a whole paper. Look, I got like a whole letter. This is nice. Okay. Jessica, you are going to be an amazing designer. You already are, but you will grow so much. One day you will get a cat. You are such a great girl. Keep it up. That's so nice. Thank you. I love, my favorite is when they said, one day you will get a cat, because everyone knows how much I wanted a cat. Thank you. Next one, you have an awesome style. That is so sweet. Thank you. I try really hard. You have pretty hair. I see another reoccurring theme here. You guys, you know, just saying. I shower a lot for this reason. Your drawings are getting better. Thank you. So everyone in class kind of knows that I don't know how to draw. I'm an artist that can draw a stick figure probably. My skills are not that great. So thank you. You just gave me hope right now. Even though this was like 6 years ago, but it's whatever. It's all good. I'm sure that I'm still the same level. Talented with photography and awesome hair. How nice. Thank you guys. I seriously love this class. It's really nice that people acknowledge my photography because again, I wasn't really into it that much. I had only just started, so really nice to see people acknowledging that in these. Thank you guys, whoever wrote this. Can draw. Okay, again, that's just the joke that I couldn't draw in class. I think I was the worst of the whole class. Okay, let's see here. Wow, really nice handwriting. You're really outgoing and that's a quality not a lot of people have. And you have really nice hair. Thank you. These are so cute. I love these. Really nice handwriting too. I'm jealous. You're able to fit all of this in this little box. That's impressive. You should work for the FBI. I don't know why you would, but I just feel like that's a quality that they would want. People with good handwriting. Outspoken and enjoyable to be in class with. Cute drawing. Thank you. Okay, so yeah, okay. This is nice. Thank you guys. I like how I'm saying thank you guys and probably no one in my class is gonna watch this. You have a ton of energy and seem really friendly. Thank you. This was back in the day when I had energy. Now I'm just a slug. I don't go anywhere. I stay at home. I'm a hermit. You are very cute and I love all your outfits and always love your makeup. I love this class. Okay. I really tried hard to dress myself in a way that I wasn't embarrassing my family and my ancestry, so thank you. Funny and really sweet, cute. Where are all these people right now? Okay, I need people like you in my life right now. It's a hard time. You are a hard worker. That's very true. I'm a workaholic. I love to be productive. I'm always working and eating cereal. If I'm not doing either of those, I'm probably asleep or watching TV. The next one, Gangsta. I like the drawing where it says yo. That's really nice and a nice touch. Really were able to fit a lot of emotion in this little piece of paper. So I am whatever you say I am. If I wasn't, then why would I say I am? In the paper, I am. I don't know, it's just the way I am. Okay. It's an Eminem song. I'm not just making that up. It's from Eminem. We're getting down to the very last ones. Big, beautiful eyes. Thank you. The last one. Outspoken. I don't know, I feel like they could have put more effort into this one. They just wrote outspoken. I feel like you could have written more. Outspoken guy. What's missing here? Like, I want to read more. Like, is there more to me being outspoken? Why did I say outspoken? Okay, I don't know who put... Really? They put this in my box. Although I do like granola bars, but Fiber Plus, who needs fiber? You know, I'm gonna send this out for DNA testing and figure out who put this in my box. So, we'll find out. I'm gonna swab this and send it over to the lab. If you're not scared, you should be. I'm gonna take the DNA results to Mari. But he only does like paternity tests and stuff.
You're such a clown.
We'll take it to Dr. Phil. So my final thoughts upon reading all of these comments is that I was a pretty good classmate, if not the best. I had fun in that class. I really liked all of the people in that class. I missed it a lot. If I could retake it with the same people, I probably would. So, to the person who came up with this project, I forgot your name. But I just want to say you came up with a really great idea, and yeah, thank you for doing this. So there you have it. That is what my classmates thought of me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to let me know which comment you guys liked the best or thought it was funny, or if that is still true to this day. So yeah, see you guys later. I really said I wore an outfit because it was cohesive.
Yeah, I remember that so much.